Hello, Chef here, once again tossing something together I thought I would share with you. I've got these wonderful baby greens. Look at these things. Yeah, this is radicchio. This is curly red leaf lettuce, arugula, baby spinach, and rocket. Yeah, there's a lot of different things in here. Frisee. So I thought I'd share this with you. I'm going to toss together a salad, so follow along, pay attention. Very simple here. We're starting with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, not too much. Adding a little bit of white balsamic vinegar. There we go, just a splash. Now, something unusual that you haven't seen before. Pepper, sea salt, white balsamic vinaigrette, adding some awesome persimmons puree. We're going to put that in just like this. Okay, you can see it's too thick to be a vinaigrette salad dressing, so the variable here is H2O. A little bit, just a sprinkle like this. Mix it in. A little bit more. Okay. There we go, looking good. Okay, the next step, you should already know this by now. If you've been following along and watching the chef's videos, then you know you have to taste and adjust seasonings. Looks good. Ah, wow. Okay, so that right there is a persimmons vinaigrette. Pay attention to the next video. More to come. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be back. This maple cutting board has been used for many, many years. And you can see it's really, really nice. It's also super thick compared to the other ones. This is a 2 1/4 thick. These are 1.5 inches. And there's other sizes available. So check it out, look them up, visit the website. Have a wonderful day. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.